Welcome to Jamb 2010 Economics Past Question 36. Question 36 says, National Development Plans in Nigeria fail mainly because of option A says overdependency on foreign aids. Option B says poor implementation strategies. Option C says inadequate funding of projects. Option D says shortage of skills. If we look at economic developments, may be defined as the process whereby the level of national production, that is, national income or per capita income, increases over a period of time. So the following obstacles can be looked at which hinders the economic development of West African countries such as Nigeria. Number one is low level of investment, low level of savings, low level of technology, lack of infrastructural facilities, dependency on imports, lack of adequate capital, lack of industrialization, lack of skilled manpower, inadequate development plan, financial misappropriation / embezzlement, as the case may be, lack of organized markets, leadership problems, high level of illiteracy, political instability, and population explosion. So, from our factors we have talked about, option B is the correct answer, which says poor implementation strategies. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.